welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Shweta and we're really grateful if you hit the subscribe button and be the part of my family. So by the title, you know that this is the everyday makeup tutorial. So without any bug chick, let's just straight away jump into the video. Okay, so I've already wear my headset so that our makeup does not mess with our hairs. So the very first step in the makeup is the primer. So I'm using this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This is for the oily skin and I tends to have a combination skin. So I'm gonna apply this one. Gonna take very little amount and then I'm gonna massage it with slightly hands. So after the primer, I personally use concealer. I'm using this Forever 52 concealer to hide my dark circles or any pigmentation on my face. I'm gonna take very little amount, and these are the areas where I'm gonna hide any of the marks or pigmentation I have all over my face. So I'm gonna blend this with the beauty blender. I'm gonna damp it a little bit. Also guys, while blending, I just remember that we have to moisturize our lips before the makeup so that we can make our lips a lipstick ready. So for that purpose, we have to apply a lip balm. The very first step, which I forgot. That's why I said I'm not professional. So the third step would be the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I'm going to take very little amount of this because I've already applied concealer. And I'm going to take a little bit on my hand. That's it. And I'm gonna rub it just a little, warm it up. And after that, I'm gonna apply it in the dot all over my face. And whatever the left stuff will be there, I'm gonna apply on my neck. Sorry, this is how I do. Again, I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend this out. The next step is the blush. So I'm currently obsessed with creamy liquid blushes, and right now I'm using this Love Earth multi-pot. It is so superb. I just really love this. I use this on a daily basis. So I'm gonna just go a little bit here, a little bit on your nose. I'm gonna blend this out with this brush. Also, मुझे गाइज ब्लश लगाना बहुत पसंद है पर्सनली. आई रियली लव द ब्लश. मैं इसको अपने रेगुलर रूटीन में यूज करती हूँ एंड आई थिंक ब्लश कैन नेवर बी द लेस. आई रियली लव दिस लिटिल टिंट ऑफ फ्लश. Next step is gonna be the contouring, and for contouring I'm using this sugar palette. So let's just get started. I'm using the same brush. Let's just define this little jawline जो पूरी vanish हो चुकी है. So after contouring, I'm gonna set up my base, and for that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It's in the shade 15. I really like this loose powder as it's not feel heavy on your face. Also, it sets up your base very nicely. और trust me, ये बहुत flawless look देता है आपके skin को. And also, it's affordable. Also, I'm gonna leave all the details of the makeup products in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. So loose powder के बाद, I like to go with my eyebrows and with my eyes. I'm using the Swiss Beauty HD 4D Color Professional Eyeshadow Palette. Trust me, मैं इनमें से बहुत कम shades use करती हूँ because I told you I am a very choosy in the colors, and until and unless I have to do some certain shoots, I don't opt for that dramatic eyes. But if you want that I should create any drama look, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. I'm gonna use this dark brown and light brown shade combination, and I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, after this I'm gonna add a little bit tint to it. That is the highlighter. I'm gonna use my finger to add a little bit of highlighter over the eyelid. Pop up कर देगा आपकी eyes को. And then I'm gonna again blend this. That's it guys. This is my eyes. After that we're gonna do mascara. Okay, so after this minimal eye look, I'm gonna do my mascara, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational. ट्रस्ट मी, ड्रग स्टोर में आपको सिर्फ एक यही ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा जो एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देता है, लाइक बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स. इफ यू आर द पर्सन हु हैव्स टू गो फॉर द अफोर्डेबल थिंग, दिस इज योर की गाइस. लेट्स जस्ट अप्लाई द मस्कारा. Okay, so I'm done with the mascara. Next up, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and for that, I'm using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. Comes with this spoolie as well here, and here you can see the product. It's in the shade Natural Brown. Wipe off the excess product or foundation I have on my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows. After the eyebrows, I'm gonna do my kajal, and for the kajal, I don't go for the black kajals anymore because I have very chotu eyes, and to not make it look more chotu, I use white kajal because white kajals tends to make look your eyes a little bigger. So after searching a hell lot of kajals, I came across this color bar white kajal. Trust me, itna pigmented hai, itna smooth hai. I am in love with this one. So then we're gonna move on to the very best part of this whole makeup routine is the lipstick. So I'm gonna use this color bar lipstick in the shade 007 Hot Latte. Okay, so here I'm done with my lipstick. You can see कि lipstick कैसी जान डाल देता है आपके makeup के अंदर. Okay, last but not the least, my favorite part of this makeup routine, that is the highlighter. So again, I'm gonna use the Sugar palette, and personally, I like to use my fingers to apply my highlighter, जिससे कि मेरा जो हाइलाइटर है वो मेरे कंट्रोल में रहे. बिकॉज आप ब्रश से जब अप्लाई करते हो ना, फैल जाता है, फिर आपके पूरे मुंह पे शिमर शिमर शाइनी शाइनी सा हो जाता है. सो आई रियली डोंट लाइक दैट. तो मैं इसलिए पर्सनली प्रेफर करती हूँ कि आई अप्लाई इट विद माई हैंड्स. So in the end, I'm gonna fix my makeup with a makeup fixer, and for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. I'm gonna just dry it down. So guys, this was my everyday makeup routine. Let me just remove this headgear and come back. Okay guys, so this was it for this video. I hope you liked this one, and if you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.